more layoffs were announced today by Walter Energy. And this comes the same day an estimated 2,000 people rallied in Brookwood to protect their health care benefits and pensions. WVUA 23's Chelsea Barton was in Brookwood today at that rally held by the United Mine Workers of America. And she brings us more now. Chelsea.
Philip, this time 129 workers from Jim Walter Resources number 4 mine have been laid off. The United Mine Workers of America union is demanding Walter Energy pay for their employees' health care benefits and pensions they say were promised to them from cradle to grave.
We're just trying to show Brookwood that we do exist out here and that we're going to be strong. You're looking at a very, very large number of workers out here, and the retired people that are out here too that worked before us and earned everything they have. Right now the companies are trying to take it away from us and we're saying no to it.
Gary Holley, who is retired from Jim Walter number 4 mine, says he worked most of his life in the mines because he was promised health care benefits and pensions.
If I hadn't had this health care from 2012, I've had over $2 million worth of bills. If I hadn't had this health care, I'd have been gone. There's no way I could afford to pay it.
Walter Energy filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in July and has laid off hundreds of employees since. Both active and retired employees like Eric LaFoy and Gary Holley are worried this will continue.
It's getting worse, and people are fed up and tired of it, and we're just not going to take it no more.
Having to tell 129 people yesterday that they no longer work there anymore at this time, that hurts. That hurts big time because I know a lot of those families. When I tried to sleep last night, I could barely sleep. Tossing and turning.
Congresswoman Terry Sewell was at the rally today. She is co-sponsoring a bill she says will ensure mine workers get the benefits and pensions they've been promised.
Even in a crisis, we won't let them down and we will not leave them alone. It's important that they know that they have support.
President of the United Mine Workers Union, Cecil Roberts, was the guest speaker at the rally today. He says this is just the beginning of them fighting back.
This is not a left or right issue. This is a wrong or right issue here. They've already paid for these benefits with their health. We have buried people down here in 2001 when 13 coal miners lost their lives here. We're just asking people to do what they said they was going to do, and that's to take care of these people.
Now, when we reached out to Walter Energy, they did not have a comment on the rally, but company spokesman Bill Stanhouse says the layoffs take effect tonight. Stanhouse says the job cuts are a result of the conditions in the coal market. The mine is operating at a reduced production level. Live tonight, I'm Chelsea Barton, WVUA 23 News.
Thanks, Chelsea.